Welcome back to our channel. Today we have one more Force Gurkha for sale in Bangalore. We deal with only 4x4 off-roading vehicles for sale with us at our workshop Jeep Zone Bangalore itself. This is a 2014 third owner vehicle, 72,000 kilometers driven. The vehicle is completely modified. The vehicle is modified with off-roading bumpers in this. This is made from Prad at the moment. There's a 2.4 liter diesel turbo engine is available in this. 2-inch lift has been done on this vehicle. You can just check out the lifting, also body lifting completely done, and you can just check out the Maxis 31 into 10.5 into 15 AT tires have been added. 15-inch off-roading rims have been added on this vehicle, and you can just check out the complete view of this vehicle. Very much neat and well maintained vehicle. The vehicle is also having a winch at the moment, but a winch will not be given to the customer. A winch will be disconnected and given to the customer at the moment. And this is a turbo diesel engine. The vehicle is all having with Maxis 5 tires. Brand new tires have been added, as well as off-roading rims. Factory fitted Snorkel has been added on this vehicle. You can just check out the Snorkel also. This is directly from the factory itself. The vehicle is very much well maintained, very much less driven, well equipped for farming purpose as well as off-roading purpose, as well as any kinds of jungle safaris can be done on this vehicle. Adventure kind of tourer vehicle on this. You can just check the badging also. 4x4x4 with the diff locks have been added on this. All 5 tires are coming up with Maxis also, and you can just check out the look of from the rear also. This is a 3-door vehicle. The vehicle is also having equipped with AC power steering. There's no power windows or anything like that. And this is a 2-door, and the 3rd door is in the rear. And right now I'll be showing you the interiors of this vehicle. So you can just have a look at the interiors. The interiors are very much in basic condition because the old generation Gurkha this is. So you can just have a look at the interiors also. We also have a 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive is available, music system is available, and the other one CPU will be removed, transmitter will be removed and given to the customer. AC unit is also available, power steering is there, and 5+1 gearbox, 4-wheel drive is available. You can just check out the seating capacity also. 5 members can be seated, and the seat covers are brand new at the moment. This vehicle is readily built and readily to serve for off-roading purpose or any kinds of jungle safaris or off-roading enthusiasts. People can buy this vehicle, which is readily available for sale in Bangalore, and the documents are till 2029. We also have front disc brakes in this, rear drum brakes from the factory itself, completely equipped with all kinds of off-roading accessories are available in this. So this is for sale in Bangalore. Only serious buyers are requested to please WhatsApp us on a WhatsApp number 9886679617. Price we are quoting is 6.5 lakhs, slightly negotiable, and documents are till 2029. KA registration. Insurance is also valid. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.